Oh. Oh my god. What was that?
See the clip. Oh my god, it was hilarious.
Dude, don't fucking laugh, bro. You sound like you got asthma. You need an inhaler, bro. Holy hell. Ew, I can hear the mucus. The mucus gurgle is crazy.
Crying, bro.
Oh man. Oh man, dude. Okay, bro. I think that's enough.
I'm still rewatching it. Oh, it's oh my god, it's so funny. Oh my god, actual tears coming down my cheek.
Okay, I gotta wait for all this fucking glass to smelt now. Oh, my back. What happened? That was so magical just now. That was so majestic. Dude, you blessed my ear. Did it finally happen? Did your villagers give you what you want? All of that for a knockback.
I just opened it.
Yeah. That was majestic.
Yeah, I need to watch that back.
Have I told you why sometimes I wish I could be a woman? Because I was like thinking about it, and I was like, you know, sometimes I wish I could be a woman, so I can experience these, like, I guess women only things. Like,
oh, like taking off your bra.
Yeah.
Oh hell yeah, that's the best feeling.
Like, I want to feel something like that.
I mean, you could.
How? Like,
Just wear a bra.
I don't got fucking tits, dude.
You don't need it.
But like, then what's like the fucking point? I gotta have something, bro.
No, so the point is that, like,
Can't just be fucking
the
flat.
reason why I feel so good is because you wear it and it has to be like, it has to be tight on you in order to like support in a sense. So when you take
I guess,
it
but
off,
there's nothing for them to
like,
support. There's nothing to support.
No,
It would just
like,
be like wearing a fucking
oh,
undershirt.
actually,
Like,
yeah, that's true.
yeah. That's why, you know, makes me kind of jealous. Like, I wish I was a woman now. I want to feel that.
The feeling of just like not wearing a bra, like just going out and not wearing one, is also really good.
I think guys have an equivalent to that, but I think it's fucking weird.
What is that?
Free balling.
Oh.
Like, that is.
Like just.
I can't believe.
Like,
Yeah, like.
What does that mean? Like just walk around with no pants or no underwear?
No underwear.
Oh, isn't that just going commando?
I guess so, yeah. No, commandos, like, fully.
Also do that?
Like.
No, commando is just no underwear. You know what I don't get still as a woman? Thongs.
What?
I don't understand them.
Thongs?
I know why people wear them. Like, there's no way that's comfortable.
They don't want comfort. I look at women's I look at ladies' underpants and like, y'all wear that?
Why are you looking at ladies' underpants?
Victoria's Secret. That was horrifying.
Hello?
That was horrifying. I thought something bad was going on with the kid in the Iron Golem, but I think it's all good.
I was saying, oh, the Iron Golem is trying to give a flower to the kid.
It did not sound like that, bro.
You said he was doing some horrible, like,
Yeah.
trying to give a flower.
Dude, that was fucked. Oh well, now I know. Nothing bad was going on. Yeah, like the first time we played Fortnite drinking. Where did this guy come from with his fucking llamas? Did you swim? What the? Did you use your fucking llamas as a raft, dude? What the fuck? Where did this guy come from? Well, I'm in the middle of the fucking ocean, and this guy appears out of nowhere with his llama. Why is he all the way out here? Okay, bro. Awesome. The Nether. Okay, I'm done. Go to bed.
Chicken Jackie.
No, the Nether. Oh, got it. Okay, I gotta stop. No, I gotta play. No, I gotta.
Soldier short.
The Nether. I'm good.
Who the fuck is taking my shit?
Who the fuck is taking my regular Pepsi? Somebody take a That's why I gotta drink fucking Diet Pepsi.
My sugar's low. Somebody drank all my Pepsis. I gotta drink diet fucking Pepsi.
I'm good.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Somebody drink all my random Pepsi. No gonna drink Diet Pepsi. No sugar in my body. I have no goddamn regular Pepsi.
Could be any sea creature, would you?
Does a hippo count?
No, it does not.
but hippos live in the water. That counts.
They live in the water.
Yes, they do.
They-
Every time you see a hippo, they're in the water. So that basically.
They don't live in the water.
I will still be a hippo.
Lives in the water.
I would still be a hippo. No further arguments. I will be a fucking hippo.
If you could live solely in the ocean.
A hippo in the ocean.
No. Or no.
Yes, I want to be a hippo. You already look like a hippo though.
Did you just roast yourself?
No, I just predicted something you'd probably say. But you already are. You can't be something you already are. No, I bet she would say that
Now
thing.
you just roasted yourself.
You can't be something that you already are.
Funnier.
You. I'll be a hippo. All day, every day. I'll be a hippo. Do hippo scouts. I'm good. Okay. I'm good. My bad. Okay. Okay. Wait, no, hold on. I'm good. Don't come to my home.
Are you making like a penis or something?
No. No, I swear it's not a penis.
Bro, if you keep giggling, I'm gonna wanna go.
No, hold on. No, you're good. Don't come over here. I'll let you know when you can come. Okay. Okay.
Just stop giggling!
Okay, I can't help
I
it.
know it's not that funny. I know it's not that funny.
I can't help it. Excuse me. De nada.
I don't really like pancakes.
Oh. Okay. Let me guess, you prefer a crepe? A crepe? You prefer creepy? Yeah, right.
Bro, ain't nobody eating no creepy.
I'm gonna go on into the abyss. Did I gotta see myself being lost? I'll be lost for days.
Lost.
Oh man, dude, there's nothing but water in front of me, dude. Alright, I'm just going to
So you
stretch
don't
it.
make a boat. Oh yeah, there's pure
Yeah.
water over there.
It's okay. I'll find my way back eventually, or if I get lost, I'll just live at sea. I'll be my own island. Bye.
Okay. Oh gosh.
Oh my god.
No, it was yesterday. Yesterday when I saw I like there's a group of people in my enchantment area.
No way.
Boo you. Boo. Watch, next time you log in, I'm gonna have a 4-story house. Watch. I will, I promise. I swear. I'll have a 4-story house, bro. Yeah. Boo.
What are you giggling?
Okay.
Are you done?
Okay.
Is that supposed to be funnier?
Oh, okay. Alright.
Bye.
But damn, okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh my god. Oh my god, let's throw up. Oh. Oh my god.
I know it's not funny, bro. Oh god, it's so funny.
Okay.
Bye.
Later. Okay, okay, I'm done. I'm done for real, I swear.
That nigger!